If you want to hide contacts on Android, so first of all, let's open up our Play Store, let's press search, and let's find our hide numbers from contact lists application. Great, let's press install. Now let's press open. Now choose your contact, give all the necessary permissions. Now you can set up a security. I'll set a password. You can set your recovery option, for example, your birthday month or your lucky number. Now let's choose a contact which you want to hide, for example, this one. Press hide contact. Great, now it's hidden. And basically that's it. So we did what we wanted. Now if we're gonna check, we won't be able to find it because it's hidden. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.